Ever notice the most dangerous people in the room? They're the quiet ones. They don't talk about what they're building. They move in silence. No hints, no updates, no desperate need for validation. And you wonder why. It's not about being mysterious, it's about being strategic. Because the more you talk about your goals, the less energy you have left to actually achieve them. First, the truth about talking. Too much. You love telling people what you're planning, right? I'm gonna start a business. I'm gonna hit the gym. I'm gonna change my life. It feels good to say it. You get that little rush, like you've already done something. You picture the results in your head, people clapping for you, and for a second, it feels real. But that's the trap. Your brain can't tell the difference between talking and doing. Psychologists call it premature self-congratulation. When you tell everyone your goals, your mind relaxes. It thinks the mission's already accomplished. Second, the psychology behind staying silent. People who keep their goals secret, they've learned something the hard way. Not everyone wants to see you win. Some will doubt you, some will mock you, and some will quietly hope you fail, just to feel better about themselves. So they stay quiet, not out of fear, but out of focus. They protect their goals like a seed under the soil. While everyone else is posting their plans, they're executing theirs. While everyone else is begging for validation, they're building results. That's the psychology of the silent. They don't need noise to feel alive. They don't chase attention. They earn respect. Third, the harsh truth. Here's something most people won't tell you. When you share your goals, people start judging them. And slowly, that judgment starts shaping how you see yourself. You start doubting. You start comparing. And before you even realize it, you've traded momentum for opinions. But the ones who move in silence, they don't care who believes in them. They don't need applause. They understand that success sounds like silence and failure echoes loud. Fourth, the takeaway. So, if you're serious about your goals, shut up about them. Go back to that post where you announced your plans. Yeah, that one. Delete it. Take it back. That's your first step to building in silence. Let your actions be the noise. Build in private. Announce only results. The people who matter will notice, not because you told them, but because your growth became impossible to ignore. You don't owe anyone a progress report. Keep your head down, keep your mouth shut, and make your work loud. Because the loudest one in the room is rarely the one who's winning.